Alright, welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. Mad Human Pizza 2 video. This is how to make it's a big long curtain. It goes from that end. It's 7 feet tall. There's a little clearance at the bottom. The cat loves that. And then this is, it curves. You can make a curve. I'm not a big fan of it, but maybe I'll get used to it. But I'm gonna show you how to install it. I'll show you the tools, but basically there is an end cap, but I took the end cap off. So you have these things that go on top like so, and I'll show you. And then you, alright, I'm gonna show you guys as I turn this, there we go, bright light on right here. So this is a railing. This is a mock-up of the railing. And then this is what I was just talking about. This piece right here, it snaps. See these little grips right here? It snaps. Watch, you just put it on just like so. Let me get the camera down here. Get the camera down here, show you guys. It snaps. You see how it goes underneath? And then you just push it down. It snaps on like that. And then it slides on top. See that? And then to take it off, you can either push on this part, which slides out. Probably use it. Oh, you can do it with your finger. Yeah, it slides out. See that? But that it keeps this part pushes on. It stays inside that little inside there. So that's how. And you can move this on here. It'll really grip it to where it'll peel off material. It'll actually peel off material. Let me try to get the peeled material off. It's not gonna do it. But it grips really good. And then this part, later on in the video, I'll show you here that, so this is hanging up like that. And then you want these little, let me try to figure out what's going on here. Oh yeah, here we go, here. It's upside down. They go on there. See, watch. They go. It's kind of hard with the video, but they slide right on there. See that? And it's like a. Oh, it got stuck on that. That's supposed to be on the other end. Let me get that off there. But anyway, you can either try to pull, or you just. It's tough to do with one hand. But this is the railing system, and man, yeah, it's tough with one hand. Oh, you push right here. Pull back. Man. Anyway, we'll just break it off because this is not even being used. But now I can make it go down. Oh, my finger's in the way. I hope it got stuck on the other one. I put it backwards. It's on the wrong side. That's what's going on. So we'll have that slide off, and then we'll get a little sidetracked here, but it's for entertainment, you know. Put that on there, and it'll. Oh, now I got that one on there. Hold on. Let me slide this one off so you kind of see how this all works. But eventually, I'm going to show you how to. I'm not going to really show you anything, but this is the gist of it. But this is the fun part. This is next to my Toyota RAV4. But it's sliding down. Where's it at? Oh, the cat loves when these things slide down. And it came off the other end. See that? So that's how that works, and I'll get back to the rest of the video here. You drill a pilot hole, that's a little rounded off, and you put a I don't know what they're called, these things right here. You hammer those up in there, and then you screw in that part, which that attaches to the railing. I have an extra piece of railing I can show you. It snaps on top. And then there's these little things that go on top of here. They are, where are they at? Where are they at? Where? They're around here somewhere. Oh yeah, there they are. Yeah, these things. Yeah, they're rollers. They attach and roll on that guide. And on the bottom, this other part right here, these they dangle. One end snaps on, and then the other end is what holds it together. It holds the curtain on. See how it all comes together? So that's how that works. And then this is all crumbled up, but it's really cool. And it's curvy. It's really curvy. So you can get you a room divider. This is the room divider. That it came separate. That railing system was like 55, and this is like 70. This 22 foot curtain. I only needed 6 foot of it. I mean 16 foot. But anyway, there's all the parts, and the little bit. I don't know what size bit that was. You have 2 bits. I don't know if it fell or what. That's in the screwdriver, but that's one of them. I drill a pilot hole with this little bit, and then I use a thicker bit, so I can get once I drill with a second bit, then I'm able to hammer this up with a I use a mallet, and then you screw this, into that. And then once you have that, you already have it screwed in, like I showed you. Like it's this is in that hole and up and then into that, and then that holds the railing up. Now this, I got the railings curved. It's really curved. I'm gonna get the tools down here, but the railing's really curved. Been working out, but 30-pound weights. But down here, there's a cat and a butterfly, and then another cat. There's a cat, and then there's the real cat. So we're going to go to the tool room. So I used 2 of these. One, I had the bit attachment to it, and then my other screwdriver, it's not down here, it's up there somewhere. And then the mallet to hit up the that little piece that goes into the hole. And then yeah, so that's what I had. This is for a trampoline, this little pool attachment. It's amazing. So I need more room for. I got 2 trampoline attachments. But anyway, back to the room divider. So that's the tools I use, was a power screwdriver and then a mallet. Yeah, so got the room divider up, and that's how you put that up. It took about an hour. I mean, once I got it down pat, I mean, it could probably take less time. But the main complaint that I have about this is the railing system. It came in like a spool, like a circular spool, and you cannot make it straight, so it curved. I hate it. Well, I don't hate it, but it's just, you want a straight. So it's meant to curve around stuff. As you can see, it's curvy, and it does the curve stuff, which is ideal for some situations, but not really ideal for, I don't know, I might get used to it, I'm not sure. But it certainly divides the room. I'm trying to get yeah, I don't want to show much. I mean, I just want to show the curtain, and that's it. So it definitely does what you want it to do. It definitely yeah, so that's how. And the light, I have to get a lighting over here now, because it really takes the lighting away, because the light's over there. So that's how you install a curtain. And the cat likes it so far. So I mean, she might jump up on it and grab it, I don't know, but so far so good. And it looks like it needs ironed out, but for the most part, yeah, that's how you install it. And it's tricky. Those are 22 inches apart. I just picked a number. I figured these right here, from that to that, is 22 inches. So the holes are 22 inches spaced, the drills, because it's a lot of weight. I figured, let's see, there's one, that's not 22, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 of them. 10 of those things holding that up. So that's enough. It weighs a good bit, but it can, it can close, and we can close, and then so see how it looks when it's like that. And I don't really like that. See, I don't know. It's just all curvy and crazy. It's like a big snake or something. Look at that. Now that's funny. Whee! This has been another Matt Hume Pizza 2 video. Like, subscribe.